Today's word is cyberpunk. It means a genre of science fiction set in a lawless, high-tech, often dystopian future, focusing on a combination of low life and high tech. Here are two examples using this word. The film, Blade Runner, is a classic example of the cyberpunk genre, with its futuristic cityscapes and rogue android hunters. He loved writing cyberpunk stories featuring hackers and megacorporations in a gritty, neon-lit world. Some synonyms and antonyms to help you understand the word better. Synonyms are sci-fi subgenre, tech noir, dystopian fiction. Antonyms are historical fiction, pastoral, utopian fiction. If you found this helpful, please subscribe, like this video, and hit the bell icon for more daily vocabulary words.